Hi friends, some people are asking that do we need to update our KYC for each account present in my list. For example, if you take here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, totally 14 accounts are there. People are asking that for each individual account, do we need to put our KYC? No, it is not like that. You have to upload KYC single time only because all these accounts are merged for single profile. We are uploading KYC also for the profile, not for each individual account. All these 14 accounts are associated with a single profile. So we have to upload KYC for the profile only. So the answer is you have to upload the KYC single time for all the accounts. If you have any doubt, you just click over here. All the accounts will be displayed over here also. If you want to check each individual account in the dashboard itself, you have to click on the corresponding account over here. Here you see you have successfully switched account. So here the dashboard for the corresponding account will be displayed. Here 76 coins are present in this. It is Anuradha too. If you want to check out for this second one or third one, you just click on here. You have successfully switched account. If you want to check the coins present and dashboard details, my bonds details, my profile details, my wallets details, it will be giving you here. How many accounts you are having? 79 accounts. Yeah. These are all belongs to a profile called Kanuri. So you need not worry to upload KYC for each and every account. You have to upload for single profile only the KYC. And if you want to check out remain accounts also, you have to check, have to click on here. You will be getting message you have successfully switch account. So here Rama Ravu Grandhi is the account. If you want to check the associated coins, go here. 25 coins. Likewise, you have to check each and every account. For all the accounts, single profile. Here it is that. Is it? Before uploading or before checking your KYC has been completed or pending or anything, first of all, you have to check your profile. Whether you completed all the fields like mail address, phone number, country, city, address, zip code, identification, or we can call it as ID card number, and its expiry date. After checking all these details successfully filled by you, then you have to go for KYC. It was approved. The KYC was approved here. Is it? Yeah, it was successfully approved by the company. So here the total thing is that for each and every single account present in this profile, there are 14 accounts. You need not upload the KYC for each and every account. Why? Because all the 14 accounts have been associated or migrated or merged with a single profile called Kannuri. So you need to upload KYC for single profile only once. Okay friends, thank you very much.